Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at saving PNG images as transparent, so there's a transparent background, and in particular white images. So I've got a donut shape here. The moment it's green, I'm actually going to change the color. I'm going to change it to white because white poses a slight problem in terms of saving images as transparent PNGs, largely because you can't see them. So let's have a look at our options for saving. We're going to choose File and then Export, and we could use Export for Screens. Now when we're using Export for Screens, it's important that you set up the transparency. So you can see here that I'm going to save one image as a PNG, but I need to come across here to this gear icon and make sure that the PNGs are set to transparent backgrounds. You can see you could have white, black, or transparent. We're going to need transparent for this one because we've got a white shape. So any of these PNG options need to be set to transparent. And then we could just go ahead and save our image. I'm not going to do that, I've already done that. But I want to show you one of those in a minute just to show you a sort of gotcha in the Windows File Manager. Another option for saving any PNG image is to choose File and then Export and then Export As. Now in this case I am going to save this one. I've saved it before as Donut, so let's just call this Donut 2. It's being saved as a PNG. I'm just going to click Export. Now again here we have this option for our background and we will want to be setting it to transparent. Now you'll want to set that to transparent for any PNG image where you want the background to be transparent. Most importantly for a white image, otherwise it just won't work. You just get a big white document. So I'm just going to click OK. And the third way of saving an image as a transparent PNG is to use File and then Export, and this legacy option, Save for Web. This is the one I use most of all. I just really like this dialog. We have two PNG options here. We have PNG 8 and PNG 24. In both instances you want to make sure that the transparency option is selected. That previous one was for PNG 8. This is the one for PNG 24. Set it to transparency and then it's going to be transparent. Again, I've saved that previous, I'm not going to worry about that for now, but we are going to go and have a look at that donut that we just saved. And this is the gotcha in terms of the file manager, because even though this PNG image has been saved with a transparent background, in Windows File Manager it's not showing up as transparent unless we hover over it, and then we can see clearly that this is the shape, and here's an earlier version that I saved. So just be aware that while it looks like it's a big white document, in actual fact this is a donut shape with a transparent background. It's been saved correctly because I specified that the background would be transparent. And as I said, in most cases, the reason why you're saving as a PNG image is so that you can have transparency. So regardless of the color of the objects that you're saving, you probably will want to set that transparency option on so that you get what it is that you want in your saved image. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.